Ready?
Ready. Welcome to my penmanship online workshops. My name is Barbara Nicol, and some of you may know me from my best pen hold video on YouTube, which has been very popular. Many of you would like to improve your penmanship, and I have written a book called Polishing Your Penmanship. Now, my Kickstarter project is to create videos that will follow the chapters of this book to allow you to teach yourself. These will be your online workshops that will accompany the book. I want to save handwriting. I want to save handwriting from oblivion, from cultural amnesia, and I would like you to help me to learn penmanship again and also to teach it to others, to spread this craft again to your children, your grandchildren, and help me with this project, which is very, very worthwhile. Thank you.